What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. So today we have another client tutorial, and this is a good friend of mine. She had a maternity shoot on that day and also her guy's birthday. So first we're starting off by going in and giving her some brows, and we're using a Morphe brow pomade. I believe this is a light brown shade. It goes very well with her complexion and as well as her blonde hair. So we're just creating that brow, and then we're going to go in and outline as well using Juvia's Place concealer. And I also use this as a base all over the lid as well. So for this look, I had no idea exactly what I was going for. So this was kind of like a freestyle, but it came out so cute. She also really loved her makeup, so that's always good. So y'all, we was just having a conversation. We was catching up. When I know people like we be catching up, she had me cracking up the whole time. So she wore royal blue, or just a blue color. So that was really like the primary color that I used on her lid. So I'm gonna blend that out because blending is key. You wanna make sure you blend everything. Always. So I'm going in and setting her lid with powder, and then I am taking a brown shade from my Morphe palette, and I'm applying it on her outer lid area. I typically always start off with a brown shade with a lot of my clients. Brown is one of those colors that you can use to transition well with any shade. So that's typically the shade I always go in with. Like I said before, I didn't know exactly what I was going to do with this look. So then I ended up going in with a blue shade as well. But here I'm just using this shade to highlight her tear duct area. This look came together so good, you guys. I wasn't even expecting this myself, to be completely honest, but it was just so good. So there I am going in with that blue shade and packing that on the outer lid, putting it on top of that brown. And then I'm going to blend those two together, but also blow out the brown shade. Lately, I've been using gloves doing makeup, and I feel like it works better. Like with you not having to get product on your hand, and also just being comfortable touching the face. So here I am applying a blue shade on I usually ask people like what accessory colors are they wearing, and then I apply colors like accent colors based off of the accessory. So as you can see, some more like silvery blue. And here I'm going in and drawing her a wing, but not creating the wing. So just applying that eyeliner. And because it's like a more smokier look on the outer lid, I didn't feel like I needed to create a wing. So I did end up taking the gloves off because my hands got hot. But also, I don't keep them on during the whole process. I typically wear them just to apply a product that exfoliates the skin, and then I leave it on, and then I end up eventually taking them off. So here I am blending, because blending is key. Then I go in and take that same brown shade that I first applied and apply it on her lower lash line, or under her lower lash line. Here I am applying lashes. Goo Guy's Shop Modesty Lash. That is my lash line. And here I am taking a moisturizer and release and applying it on her face. This is super moisturizing and it's so good for people with dry skin, but it's good for all skin types. It's just really thick. So here I am taking my Ben Nye foundation palette and I'm applying a shade from there. I love using shades with different colors where you can mix shades together and customize colors, because sometimes you have to customize shades. But this shade, I didn't have to customize. It's also matte and full coverage, so it works well with the moisturizer and creating just a really flawless but not too matte face. I love watching the transition from just bare skin to like a full face beat. It's so satisfying. So there I am using a contour shade from that same palette. I also don't like to blend all the way down to the neck. I don't know, that don't seem realistic, and then people have to put on their clothes and stuff like that, so I'm like really big on not having makeup on the neck because you don't want them to get that on their clothes. That's why I like to blend and make sure that the face actually matches the neck in some type of way. So here I am highlighting using my Juvia's Place concealer. And we're gonna blend that out using my Makeup Forever 154 brush, I believe. Going back in and cleaning up under that eye area, blowing that shade out. Then I'm going to go in and apply a matte lip. And this is a lip stick, but I am applying that around the perimeter of her mouth like a lip liner. I do this to all my clients. I find that this works better. I love it. I use typically the same lip for everybody most of the time because people have different shades, or because they are different shades, it looks different on different people. Now I'm applying Fenty Beauty banana powder to set. Here I am taking the Morphe highlighting palette and I'm highlighting her. Then I'm taking a Kryolan blush and I'm using that on her cheeks. And I'm spraying her to set her makeup. And as you can see, she's admiring herself. We was also on live as well, so that's why you see her looking. And here I am again going in, making sure I'm blending everything out because blending is key, honey. If your arm don't look like that and you do makeup, what are you doing? So this is the final look. Like, this completes the look. I hope that you guys enjoy. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will catch you guys in my next video. Until then, stay blessed and stay beautiful. Peace.